What if I told you that a single ingredient could hydrate your skin, promote hair growth, and fight signs of aging? Let's uncover the magic of castor oil. First, let's talk about what makes castor oil so special. Castor oil is a unique and powerful natural remedy, widely known for its therapeutic benefits. It is packed with ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid that gives castor oil its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. These properties make it highly effective in treating various skin and hair concerns. One of the standout qualities of castor oil is its ability to deeply penetrate the skin and hair follicles. Unlike many other oils that only coat the surface, castor oil nourishes from within, providing long-lasting hydration. Additionally, castor oil plays a crucial role in improving circulation. When applied to the skin or scalp, it stimulates blood flow, ensuring that essential nutrients reach the hair roots and skin cells. Another unique aspect of castor oil is its ability to balance bacteria on the skin and scalp. It selectively eliminates harmful bacteria and fungi while preserving beneficial microbes that contribute to a healthy skin barrier. With its moisturizing, healing, and protective effects, castor oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Now let's explore the amazing ways castor oil can benefit your skin. Let's start with how castor oil keeps your skin hydrated. If you struggle with dry, flaky, or dehydrated skin, castor oil is a fantastic natural moisturizer. Its thick consistency helps lock in moisture, creating a protective barrier that prevents water loss. Unlike chemical-based creams, castor oil deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin without clogging pores. Regular use will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and well hydrated all day long. Next, let's talk about how castor oil helps reduce acne and breakouts. Many people believe oils can make acne worse, but castor oil works differently. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that fight acne-causing bacteria and soothe redness. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil penetrates deep into the pores, dissolving impurities and preventing clogged pores, which are a major cause of breakouts. Over time, this can help reduce pimples, redness, and acne scars, giving you clearer skin. Now let's explore how castor oil fades scars and stretch marks over time. Castor oil contains vitamin E and essential fatty acids that help break down scar tissue and improve skin elasticity. This makes it an effective natural remedy for fading stretch marks and scars. With regular application, it helps the skin regenerate, making scars less visible over time. Consistency is key, and within a few weeks, you may start to notice a more even-toned and smoother complexion. Moving on, castor oil is also great for soothing irritated skin. If you suffer from eczema, psoriasis, or dermatitis, castor oil can provide much-needed relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness, itching, and irritation. The oil acts as a natural barrier, protecting sensitive skin from further damage while promoting healing. For severe cases, mix castor oil with aloe vera or coconut oil to enhance its soothing effects. With regular use, it helps calm flare-ups, leaving your skin feeling softer and less inflamed. In addition, castor oil works wonders for healing cracked heels and dry hands. For people with rough cracked heels and dry hands, castor oil is an excellent deep conditioning treatment. It penetrates thick, dry skin, softening rough patches and helping them heal faster. The best way to use it is to apply a generous amount before bed, then wear socks or gloves overnight to lock in moisture. By morning, you'll wake up with smoother, more nourished skin. For best results, use this a few times a week to keep your hands and feet hydrated and crack-free. Lastly, let's discuss how castor oil helps reduce sunspots and hyperpigmentation. Regular use of castor oil can help fade dark spots caused by sun damage, aging, or acne scars. Its natural fatty acids and antioxidants work together to even out skin tone and reduce hyperpigmentation over time. Massage a small amount onto affected areas daily, ideally at night, so it has time to absorb. For even better results, Mix castor oil with lemon juice or vitamin C serum, as these ingredients help speed up the lightening process. Over time, this natural remedy can leave your skin looking brighter, more even, and youthful. After skincare, let's talk about why castor oil is also a must-have for healthy hair. Castor oil boosts hair growth. One of the most well-known benefits of castor oil is its ability to promote hair growth. It increases blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that hair follicles receive essential nutrients for healthy growth. Regular application can result in thicker, stronger, and healthier hair over time. Consistent use can lead to noticeable hair growth. Next, castor oil helps prevent hair loss and thinning. Hair loss can occur due to several factors, including inflammation, bacteria, and poor circulation. Castor oil fights these problems with its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, reducing hair fall and promoting regrowth. By improving blood flow to the scalp, it strengthens hair follicles and prevents excessive shedding. Castor oil also hydrates and strengthens dry, brittle hair. Liking this so far? Subscribe now and let's keep going. Dry, frizzy, and brittle hair can be difficult to manage, but castor oil is a natural solution. It acts as a deep conditioner, sealing moisture into the hair shaft and restoring lost hydration. This helps to reduce frizz, prevent breakage, and improve overall hair texture. You can mix castor oil with a lighter oil like coconut or almond oil for better application. Moving on, castor oil treats dandruff and an itchy scalp. Dandruff and an itchy scalp can be caused by fungal infections. Castor oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help combat these issues. Castor oil can prevent flakes and soothe irritation if you use it before shampooing. It also provides deep nourishment to your scalp, preventing dryness and promoting a balanced scalp environment. Regular use can keep dandruff at bay and leave your scalp feeling refreshed and itch-free. Finally, let's look at how castor oil adds shine and reduces split ends. If your hair looks dull or has split ends, castor oil can help. It smooths the hair cuticle, reducing split ends and adding a natural shine. Using it after washing hair can prevent further damage and keep your hair looking healthy. You can also use it as a pre-shampoo treatment. Over time, castor oil will make your hair appear glossier and more vibrant. Now that we've explored the benefits of castor oil, let's talk about how you can use it effectively for both skin and hair. For skin, apply a few drops of castor oil directly onto dry areas, scars, or stretch marks to nourish and hydrate the skin. For added moisture, mix it with aloe vera or coconut oil before applying. If you have acne-prone skin, you can also use castor oil as a natural cleanser, as its antibacterial properties help remove impurities and reduce breakouts. For hair, massage castor oil into your scalp and leave it overnight before washing it out. This allows the oil to penetrate deep into the hair follicles, promoting growth and reducing hair fall. Since castor oil is thick, mixing it with coconut oil or argan oil can make the application easier. Additionally, applying a small amount to split ends helps prevent breakage and improves overall hair texture. Not all castor oils are created equal. To get the best results, it's important to choose the right type. Cold-pressed castor oil is the best option because it is extracted without heat, preserving all its essential nutrients. This method ensures that you receive the full benefits of castor oil without losing any of its natural properties. It is also free from harmful chemicals, making it a safer and more effective choice for nourishing your skin and hair. Another important factor to consider is whether the oil is hexane-free. Some castor oils are processed using hexane, which is a chemical solvent that can strip the oil of its natural benefits and potentially cause skin irritation. Hexane-free castor oil ensures a pure and gentle formula, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin or scalp issues. If your primary focus is hair growth, Jamaican black castor oil is an excellent option. This type of castor oil is roasted before extraction, making it darker and richer in nutrients. It has been widely praised for its ability to stimulate hair follicles. Whether you're looking to improve scalp health, strengthen hair strands, or prevent breakage, choosing the right type of castor oil can make all the difference. Aside from its benefits for skin and hair, castor oil has several other therapeutic uses. One of its most well-known benefits is its ability to relieve joint pain. Thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil can help reduce swelling, stiffness, and discomfort in sore joints. Simply warming a small amount and massaging it into the affected area can improve circulation and provide relief from pain caused by arthritis or overuse. Another important use of castor oil is its effectiveness in treating toenail fungus and yeast infections. It has strong antifungal and antibacterial properties that help eliminate fungal overgrowth and promote healing. Regular application on the affected area can gradually clear infections and prevent them from spreading. Additionally, castor oil is sometimes used for eye styes and dry eyes. It can help reduce inflammation and irritation, providing relief for those who experience frequent eye discomfort. However, since the eyes are extremely sensitive, it is always best to consult a doctor before using castor oil around or inside the eyes. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy, and its benefits continue to make it a staple in beauty and wellness routines today. Incorporating castor oil into your routine doesn't have to be complicated. A few drops massaged into the scalp, skin, or even sore joints can go a long way in supporting overall health. The key is to stay consistent and patient, as natural remedies often take time to show results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Try castor oil for yourself and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.